Hi guys, so my husband went to Home Depot and to Lowe's to pick up some stuff and he couldn't help but browse through the plant section. And guess what he found? He found these three types of Portulacaria Afra plants. Up to this point, I was only aware of the Portulacaria Afra or elephant bush plant, which I'm showing you right here. And also the Portulacaria Afra Variegata, also known as the Variegated elephant bush, or another name for it is the rainbow plant, which is the one right here. But these three are pretty special and I've never seen them before. They're slightly different from these two plants I just mentioned. I think they're hybrids, but I'm not entirely sure. So the first one is called Portulacaria Afra-Variegata Manny, or rainbow bush Manny. Here's how it compares with the variegated elephant bush. The difference is mainly found in the leaves. This Manny plant has wavy or rippled leaves. If you can see, they are a bit bigger and wider. This next one is called Portulacaria Afra-Mammoth. And just from the name, you can tell that this is a bigger plant. The leaves are fan-shaped or spoon-shaped. The shape of the leaves remind me of the silver dollar jade plant, except these are green. This third one he found is called Portulacaria Afra-Minima Lilliput. This is almost like the opposite of the mammoth plant I just showed. The leaves and stems are tiny. They look almost like a miniature version of the Portulacaria Afra plant. I'm just repotting these now. If you want a more detailed comparison video of how these three plants compare with my other two Portulacaria Afra plants, check out the video my husband did. I will link it down below. He did a very detailed comparison video of the 5 types of Portulacaria Afras. My husband's an engineer and pays very close attention to details. I, on the other hand, am more of the artistic type and only care about how cute the plant looks for the most part. So anyways, I would be caring for these 3 plants the same way I care for my other 2 Portulacaria Afras. I don't expect them to require different care needs. My elephant bush plants are one of the easiest ones to grow and propagate, so I'm expecting these to be the same, but we'll just have to see. I'll be repotting these using Bonsai Jack succulent potting mix. These can tolerate partial shade to full sun, water when the soil feels dry, and for the most part, these plants are very easygoing. I pretty much just water them when the soil feels dry, leave them outside in the sun, and that's about it. They don't give me much trouble, or if any at all. I'll speed up the video during repotting, and feel free to fast forward if you want. So here's how they look about 6 weeks later. These have been indoors this whole time because of construction going on outside my house right now. Normally, I keep almost all of my succulents outdoors, especially my Portulacaria afras. They love the sun and can tolerate the heat. As soon as I can, I will bring these outside. My husband has been watering them about twice a week because we found that with bonsai jack, succulent mix, the plants need a little bit more water because it dries out really fast compared with other succulent potting mix. Here's how these 3 plants look compared with a Portulacaria afra stem behind them. This stem is grown from a single stem cutting and has really grown a lot within a few short weeks. Let me know if you know or have other types of Portulacaria afra plants than the ones I mentioned here. I would love to find out more about different types and varieties of these plants. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. We really appreciate all your support. Have a great day and happy gardening!